been talking about dieting all week, but you have a different take on it.
I do.
Which is what?
Well, I've written a book called Being Fat Sucks.
It does?
Yes, it does.
Were you fat?
I know personally. Yes, I was fat. In fact, I was fat my whole entire life.
Yes.
Until about 2 years ago, I went from a size 16 to a size 6 in a matter of months. In fact, it was rapid, quality weight loss.
Was it crash dieting?
No, not at all.
How do you feel about crash dieting?
Actually, crash dieting is very disruptive. It completely ruins people. In fact, diets don't work.
Yeah.
If they did, 86% of the population wouldn't be overweight. And the largest segment of our population is children. But what it does suggest is that people do want to get thin.
Wow. Tell us how we can get thin. You did it and you went from a size 16 to a 6. How can we get thin?
Well, 3 things that I really want to point out to the listeners is that there are, first of all, you need to stop and take a little bit of time and take a look at what it means to be fat.
Okay.
What does it mean to be fat to you? What are the pros and the cons? I'm sure you're going to find a lot more cons than you're going to find pros, because you know what? Being fat sucks. Okay?
So you're saying what it means, meaning that you take up more than one seat on the airplane,
yes.
or that you are pointed at by little kids, or your pants are constantly too tight.
Right.
We're blaming the pants.
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly. You can't walk upstairs, you can't run, whatever it is.
Oh, I see.
Everybody has something different.
Right.
But find out what it is for you. You know, when you really get down to the nitty-gritty, the details of it, it's what I like to say is a well-articulated problem is a problem half solved. In other words, when you're able to get down to the truth of what it is, you're halfway there just by understanding it. Now, the second thing I want
to... It's only halfway.
Hey, halfway is better than not starting at all.
And then the second half will be what?
Well, the second thing that I want people to pay attention to is when you do eat, stop and think about why you're eating. Because you know what? It's not so much what we're eating, it's why are we eating it. And the third thing is I want people to get a Fast Start guide on my website, which actually gives some detailed instructions on how they can actually start changing the way they think.
A fast what guide?
It's a Fast Start guide. So in other words, I know there's a lot of people out there. Like I said, 86% of the population is overweight, and the diet industry is what, a $2 billion industry?
Sure.
There's a huge craving to get thin. So I know people are going to want something, so they can go to my website at whybeingfatsucks.com and download a free Fast Start guide that'll have not only some reflection questions, but some information about supplementation, because that's the other key.
Yeah.
We're not getting enough nutrition in the food we eat, and when we don't get enough nutrition, we don't feel good.
Now wait a second. I made sure that I got today the Egg McMuffin with the sausage. I thought that would give me some extra minerals. They were not the kinds of minerals you expect. There's some, I don't know, something was crunchy. But what do I look for? How do I get more of that?
Well, I have to be honest, it probably wasn't the most nutritious choice for breakfast.
It wasn't.
But that's the thing. People aren't looking for the most nutritious choice. They're just looking for something to fill the void.
That's right. I didn't have a shopping center next to me to go in and prepare food. I had about 5 minutes.
Exactly. Well, you know what? I have a solution for that. My lifestyle is very busy also, so I had to find a healthy, fast food. And it's all in the form of a nutritious shake.
It is?
Yes, and it's fabulous, and it's delicious, and it's easy.
And so where can I find out?
On my website, I tell you all about these fabulous shakes.
And again, as we're getting ready to go to wrap it up, because I see them giving me the sign over there, your website is?
Why being fat sucks.
And it sucks.
It sucks.
So you realized that and you made a big change.
Being fat sucks, but life doesn't have to. Starting today, you can change your life completely.
Okay. Lisa, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me, Jess.